everybody, welcome back to my channel. So this is Muskan and I hope you all are doing great. So today in this video you can see already I'm gonna review about these Good Vibes products right here. So yes, without wasting any time, let's get started with this video. So guys, the first product is honey face wash, which is suitable for all skin types, and also the teenagers can go for this. And this is affordable and really good face wash. It smells amazing and it literally gives you that summer vibes. So yeah, and I love this toner because this is my favorite toner as of now. So it smells heavenly, and I just love the fragrance of this toner, and it instantly brightens up your face, and you can feel that your face has been cleansed really well, and you get that natural glow on your face. And I really like this witch hazel toner. It says it tightens up your pores, but I'm not sure about that. But it literally gives a very natural glow on your face, which I love. And also, it absorbs into skin very easily, and it's not sticky as well. And this is my favorite one, that is watermelon gel, suitable for dry skin people especially, but all skin type people can use it because this is in a gel format, and it literally gives you summer vibes. As you know, like watermelon is really good fruit, and it is a basically the seasonal fruit. So yeah, and it smells really good, and the consistency is really thick, and you can see the color, I mean, afterwards in this video. And this is made for dry skin people, but oily skin people can also go for this gel because it's not sticky or very thick. So I mean, it doesn't feel sticky on your face, and yeah, it just gets absorbed very easily into your skin. And this is the aloe vera revitalizing night cream. So I haven't tried the scrubs from the Good Vibes, but the night cream is really good. This is also in a gel format, and it absorbs into skin very easily, and this is for all skin types, and the best night cream I have used so far. And you can see the consistency, it's in a clear gel form. It literally looks like aloe vera gel. So yes. So guys, this is a demo part, and I have nothing on my face. You can see my face is looking dull, and now I'm gonna use this face wash first to cleanse my face. And so you can see it's taking time to take off the product out, and also you can see the consistency, it's really thick, it's not really runny, and it smells really good. But comparing to Biotique's Bio Papaya face wash, which is my favorite one because it adds a very natural glow on your face, but it doesn't cleanses your face because that's a very mild face wash. But this one, it really cleanses up your face, but comparing to the Bio Papaya's one, it doesn't provide that sort of glow. But you can see my face looks really fresh and bright. It instantly brightens up your face. And now guys, I don't know what's wrong with this video, but I don't know. So you can see this is a witch hazel toner. Now I'm gonna just spritz this on my face. So it feels really good, you guys. I mean, this is the must buy product for summers. And I'm really sorry, Ayat is making some noise, she's just playing. So yeah, now I'm gonna spritz this one more time because I don't know why, but this is my current favorite. So I just love this toner. I highly recommend you guys to try this toner out because this is so damn good. And I'm just patting it on my skin. You can see the glow on my face, and your face feels really fresh. And now it's time to use watermelon gel, and this is a really thick gel, so only like 3 dots are more than enough. because it is also gel based, so it kind of feels a bit watery. So I have used way too more here, but you can just go for 3 dots, and it kind of like sits on your face like a layer. If you use too much kind of mask, and then later on you can wash it off, so you can use it as a mask as well if you want. So you can see it has a very tiny amount of tint in it, as you can see, but then it doesn't look on the face, it just gets absorbed very easily. So you can see I'm just massaging it into my skin really well. So I just love the smell, I just love the fragrance of all the Good Vibes products. Not the serum, but yes, the gels and face wash is really good, and the toner is amazing. So now it's time to use the night cream, and I really love the gel based products. And I'm really sorry for the video again, I don't know what's wrong with this video. It's playing very like normal in the video player, but then while I was editing there was some issue with this. So now I'm just trying to open this the lid, as you can see here. So it is in a gel form, like a clear aloe vera gel, and also it really heals your skin. So in summers I highly recommend you to try this, because it literally soothes up your skin, and you kind of feel really fresh. And if you have any marks, then I guess it will reduce, I'm not sure, but I think because aloe vera is really good to reduce marks. So yeah, if you're using it for a longer term, maybe you can see results. But I'll update you guys after 1 month like how I felt. At present I'm just loving all the products, but after 1 month I'll update you all. So yes, that's it.
So guys, as you have seen me using these products already in this video, so I would highly recommend you guys to try this out, because these are very affordable, and especially these are really good for oily skin people out there, because it doesn't clog your pores and it doesn't feel sticky or heavy on your face. And if you have a dry skin, then it is the best formulation, because these are gel based products. So yes, it absorbs like this. So as you guys know, summers are in the corner, and you can just try these products. And so guys, there's one more thing I want to share with you guys, that is whenever you use this watermelon gel and the Good Vibes product basically, so it kind of gives you that cooling sensation on your face, which I love, because in summers it's like very refreshing, and it's very soothing to your skin. So yes, and it's better if you keep this product in fridge and you use it, or because it literally brightens up your face instantly, and it provides that soothing effect and that cooling sensation on your face, but it doesn't have the tingling effect which biotic products does. So I really love these Good Vibes products. So yes, I recommend this, and you can try this out.
So guys, that's pretty much it for today's video, and I hope you guys liked it. And if you guys liked it, please give it a big thumbs up, and please subscribe my channel, and please share this video with your loved ones.